Right now, a new model shows another 130,000 Americans could die by June, and that would bring the death toll to 600,000. But right now, cases are falling as more people get vaccinated nationwide. Officials say it's too early, though, for us to be complacent. So here's a look at the latest coronavirus numbers here in Georgia. More than 1,700 new cases and 4 deaths have been reported. This is a major drop from the triple-digit deaths we've been seeing over the past 3 days. And Governor Kemp is working to end vaccination hesitation within the Latino community. CBS 46's Sabrina Silva joining us live in Gainesville, where they just wrapped up a roundtable event with members of the Latino community. Sabrina, how are they hoping to make this happen?
Well, Karen, one way is by already using the connections within the Latino community. So they're hearing it from folks that they know and they trust. And as you can imagine, there's a language barrier as well as these folks feeling hesitant to trust the government and trust the science behind this vaccine. Now, according to Governor Kemp, vaccine supply is still a major issue. And that was brought up because at this roundtable were folks representing the poultry and agriculture industry, where a lot of immigrants in this particular area work for. And right now, they're not in the phase 1A+, but they are working in heavily populated environments. But the governor says even if he were to open it up for essential workers, and these are also teachers and grocery store clerks, he says the issue would then become people waiting even longer to find those appointments. So their goal right now is to work with leaders in the Black, Latino, Asian, and Native American communities to get rid of that hesitance to receive the vaccine. So when it becomes available, these communities will be ready to get vaccinated.
We're going to go give vaccines where people are comfortable getting them. Obviously, many of them are very comfortable going to their place of worship to get a vaccine. We've certainly talked about that in the African American community, and we talked about that this morning, and we'll continue to do that to make sure that the setting is comfortable. And
now, an update coming in from the governor's office is that right now their main concern is giving folks that second dose of the vaccine, and those are most of the vaccinations that we're seeing out there. They say once they get folks vaccinated with that second dose, then they'll start thinking about moving forward onto the next phase, but that is going to take some time. Live in Gainesville, I'm Sabrina Silva, CBS 46 News.
Sabrina,